Hey, I'm Gavin Bottger, and these are my Indys. I ride 129s. I like riding them because they're the only trucks that fit my board. I've been riding these paired Indys for about 6 months. I like riding them for a long time because you have a lot of groove in your trucks, and if you don't have groove, it's hard to lock into your grinds. I got my first pair of Indys because my dad dared me to eat a ladybug to get my first pair of Indy Trucks, and I did it. I had to wait 2 days and lost my mind. I don't know where skateboarding's going, but it's just fun for me. Indy for life.
If you guys like this video, click the button above my head for more Indy videos. Like, subscribe, do what you gotta do. See that Indy channel.